Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. China has established a dominant global position in high-speed rail, expanding from $120/text km in 2008 to managing the world's largest high-speed network. The focus is now shifting toward achieving ultra-high, potentially supersonic, speeds to render air travel obsolete for domestic distances. The centerpiece of this innovation is the T-Flight project, led by the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, CASIC. T-Flight combines magnetic levitation, Maglev, technology with a Hyperloop-style vacuum tube to minimize air pressure and aerodynamic resistance, which are the main limiting factors for conventional high-speed trains. Key technological aspects of T-Flight include: enhanced Maglev utilizes superconductors to elevate the train up to $100/text above the track, significantly higher than standard Maglev's $10/text to ensure extreme stability at high velocities.Low-Pressure environment. The tube system actively extracts air, creating a partial vacuum to dramatically reduce drag. Recent milestones highlight the project's rapid progress. In 2024, T-Flight achieved a validated world record speed of $623/text km/h. More recently, it reached $650/text km/h in $7 seconds on a short $1/text km test track, demonstrating brutal acceleration and braking capacity. The project's phased ambition is substantial. Phase 1, targeting an initial speed of $1000/text km/h. Phase 2 and 3, aiming for supersonic speeds of $2000/text km/h, and an ultimate goal of $4000/text km/h. This technology promises to connect major Chinese urban centers in minutes, offering a compelling alternative to air travel and fundamentally transforming long-distance domestic logistics and passenger movement. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.